actually film a video in this fashion, like a review style, with such poor light conditions. Hopefully this doesn't irritate you guys as much as it irritates me. You remember when like our parents used to say like, oh, if you do that, that's against the law and you go to jail?
Yeah, I'll be going against the law, turn it off.
Bro, I just no lift shifted. Bro, what the hell? I'm no lift shifting because the cars that I've been driving in the past recently, like the reviews of C7, the LT1, those all have no lift shift. So yeah, let's not do that with this car. All right, so I get this question a lot, and it's, when are you going to cam the car? And guys, the fact of the matter is that right now it's really about the money, because I'm probably gonna spend anywhere between $2,500 to $4,000, $2,500 or $4,000 to, you know, get that cam kit, install it professionally, because I just don't have the facilities to do that right now, and also to tune it and make sure that everything's running accordingly. And the fact of the matter is that I don't know if I really want to do that. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of places where that $2,500 to $4,000 could go to, and you know, potentially even looking at other builds. And you know, I've been craving a little bit of a different change of scenery. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, if you guys really want to see any sort of change to the car itself. Justin, what would you do? Would you rather...
I'd cam it.
You'd cam it?
Hell yeah.
I mean, bro, imagine that this car cammed with the exhaust setup that I have now. I mean, like... so ridiculous. Like, I can't fathom how much louder this car would be. I'm curious to see how much of a difference this car is cam. Now you're making me think about doing it.
Cam it, bro.
I don't know, bro, but it can't, you know, there's a lot of, I mean, bro, that's literally a down payment for or half a down payment for a different car, man. I'm thinking maybe a Z28, guys. Like, I'm serious. I'm really like, those are the type of things that I'm really looking for, or like trying to, or keeping my eyes on. I mean, bro, I've been driving a lot of Corvette lately. You know, I've been, my appetite for Corvette has also been increasing too. Oh my God. It's so ridiculous.
Feeling it brings into my stomach. God, I miss it.
The next car you get, because guys, he actually doesn't have his Camaro right now, but he is planning to come back hard, and he's looking at some pretty interesting options that I myself might get a little bit motivated if he actually pulls the trigger on that. While we're at a stoplight, let me just go over some of the lights that I have on my dashboard, because I know somebody's gonna comment it and say like, oh, typical Chevy, you know. Yeah, you're right though, but in this case, it's the airbag sensor from the Recaro plug-in seats that I recently, well, I did a couple, I think last year. Jesus Christ, time flies. Check engine light is from my exhaust setup. Currently, I'm completely straight pipe with long tube headers, and those are the TPMS sensors that are going off. I have to replace the one up front. My God! What the hell? Bro,
God damn.
Dude, I really don't know what other car to substitute if I decide to do it. I mean, for sure, the next build that I do is gotta be loud as hell. Like, it has to be. I don't know, maybe straight pipe is the answer. I mean, straight pipe is like the easiest way of really obtaining that level of extreme sound, but it's definitely not the most practical, because you know, I often do a lot of trips with my friends and you know, with my girlfriend whenever she's in the car. So we do some pretty long drives, and you know, straight pipe after 70 miles per hour, actually 75 miles per hour, it starts to drone very, very bad. And it's, you know, I'm fine with it, but is your passenger gonna be fine with it? Like, how bad was your drone? Like,
oh, it was irritating. I could not have my mom or any family member inside the car.
anybody that I cared about.
Exactly. Exactly.
And I mean, look, if you daily drive the car, yeah, that's where it really starts to annoy. If this is like your weekend warrior type of thing, which again is what this is for me now, oh man, it's just like you always fall in love with the car every time you drive it. Look at how beautiful the city is, guys. Perfect night to have fun with a straight piped Camaro SS. Did my GoPro fall off?
No.
Oh my god, dude.
Did it?
No, it's there, it's there.
Oh my god. Oh, the side mirror covered it.
Dude, I've lost 3 GoPros in my career with YouTube. One of them was a Hero Black. I'm sorry, no, I officially lost, like, MIA, 2 of them. One of them was a Hero Black and a Hero 4. The other time, I dropped another Hero Black, but we were able to find that. I'm actually gonna put some clips of that night in a separate, maybe I'll make a separate short if you guys want to check that out, but it was like literally a mission. So I think this is what you guys really did come for. Justin, round 2. Round 2, baby. Bro, that is ridiculous, man. Oh my god, bro. That is just unreal. I love this car so much. Do a 5th gen ZL1 or a C6 Z06?
Damn, that's tough.
That's a hard one.
I'm a Camaro guy.
Me too. I love the C6. I mean, it was like literally one of the best cars that I've ever driven. But damn, bro, a ZL1, bro. I mean,
tough.
Like, I've always said this about Camaro and Corvette. Like, yes, they're both awesome vehicles and stuff like that, but when you pair a Corvette and a Camaro together, and a Camaro beats a Corvette, it's just so much more impressive.
Oh, absolutely.
And like, I don't know, I like that big bulky. I feel like the Camaro in that case is like always the underdog. If you guys made it this far into the video, this is kind of just like me manifesting something. I'm literally gonna fucking be the biggest automotive YouTuber in Miami. That is like the goal. I'm gonna get there one day. And I'm gonna drive that Aventador and I'm gonna own that Aventador one day. Justin's looking at me like, alright bro. You're drunk as
But what the hell?
Oh my god, man. One, two, three. All right, so a little bit of a hiccup, but it looks like my shifter is a little loose. I think it's this Z28 style shift knob here that it's just such bad quality or something that the bolt or the nut that is fastening it seems to just keep loosening out with my aggressive driving style. Damn. I mean, it's still drivable, but so we weren't able to figure out how to fix the screwdriver situation or the screw, so we're just gonna, I guess, go home. Psych!
That's a tough one.
That's a tough one, ain't it? Inhaling carbon monoxide. Dioxide or monoxide? Monoxide.
Monoxide.
Monoxide poisoning, but at least it sounds good.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
Oh man. Literally the longest f***ing red light ever. Is that man gonna rob me? He went that way.
There's a Camaro that just stopped there.
He's trying to find a way to...
going on here. What a perfect view of the Mexico City skyline right here. I want you to drive the car. I'm gifting it to you for 15 minutes. Oh, dude. Dude, that is so freaking loud. Oh my God. Now I know why people actually like flinch a little bit. Initial impressions. Whoa, a damn rat. All right, initial impressions.
It sounds perfect.
She definitely took a beating today. I will say that.
Oh, absolutely. 100%.
Oh my.
You made my stomach, you know,
Cringe.
adrenaline.
Them shifts, bro. You gotta stop with the abuela shifts, bro. Yo, you gotta give this car some more love, bro. You gotta beat it or something. Without burning my clutch, bro. Look, some people would like to really savor the car, you know, shift it slowly.
Feel the shifts.
Wait, bro, do a pull for me, like, come on. No, bro, like a first gear, like a real deal pull, come on.
Real deal, boy.
Yeah,
Sure?
yeah, bro.
On 30?
Yeah, bro. Bro, you're gonna kill my clutch. Justin, final thoughts.
It's a beast. This car is a beast.
At least it sounds the part, for sure.
Oh, of course, but the videos will never do it justice. Until you hear this in person, you're never gonna understand the actual true meaning of how much power this car has.
Well guys, there you have it. That is the full video of us going on a very spirited drive through the beautiful city of Mexico Mia. You know, as always, it's a blast driving this car. The exhaust setup is absolutely terrifying. It literally terrorizes people on the street or annoys them. One of the two emotions. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm. And if you enjoy my content overall, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to be a part of Noti Gang so you don't miss any of my future POV drives, my spirited drives, my reviews, etc., etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Justin, say your goodbyes, bro.